Hey guys, welcome to MathTech. Today we'll be learning how to turn on vanish mode on Instagram, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn on vanish mode on Instagram, first open up your Instagram app and make sure to be logged into your account, guys. And now in order to proceed from over here, let's go to the messenger section of our icon. To do that, let's tap on the messenger icon at the top right corner of the screen, and now you can open a chat box of any friend whom you like or you want to turn on the vanish mode. So in order to turn on the vanish mode, you can tap on any of the blank spaces over here on Instagram and swipe up, and this kind of interface will appear, or this kind of button will appear where it says swipe up to turn on vanish mode. And if you swipe out completely until the circle ends like this, you can see, guys, and it has turned on blue. Until you turn on blue and release it, and the vanish mode will be turned on Instagram. And guys, this is how to turn on vanish mode on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.